In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this folder morph transition. So now starting with a blank slide, right-click the background and click on Format Background. Now change the background color to something a little bit darker. Now once you've selected your background color, go to Insert, Shapes, and add a rounded rectangle somewhat like this. Now once again go to Insert, Shapes, and Oval, and add a oval right at the top, but hold down Shift so it becomes a circle. Now position the circle at the top center of this rectangle. The correct position is when the magnet markers are looking somewhat like this. Now once you've added these two shapes, select the rectangle and then the circle, then go to Shape Format, Merge Shapes, and Subtract. Now change the shape outline to no outline, and change the shape fill to whatever color you like. Now, once again, go to Insert, Shapes, and add another rounded rectangle, and position this so that it is slightly smaller than the rectangle that we already have. Now, change the shape outline to no outline and the shape fill to white. Now, once you have your shape, right-click and click on Send to Back. Now, select both of these shapes and position them at the bottom left of the slide. Now, double-click on the first rectangle to type in your primary text or your subtitle. So for this, I'll just type in point 1. Change the font and size as you prefer. Now, pull the second rectangle slightly higher up and double-click the shape to type in your text. Now, select both of these shapes once again, and hold down Ctrl and drag right to duplicate it. And repeat this once again. You might notice that these are not distributed perfectly. To fix this, select the 3 bottom rectangles, go to Shape Format, Align, and Distribute horizontally, and repeat the same step for the above rectangles. Now, change the text and colors of the second 2 shapes. Now on the first slide, select the top 2 rectangles and lower them to be completely hidden under the covers. Now right-click the slide and click on Duplicate Slide. Now on the second slide, lower the first rectangle under its cover and bring the second text up to be visible. Repeat this process for the third point. Now once you have these 3 slides, select all of them, go to Transitions, and click on Morph. Now let us see the final result. So if you did find this video helpful or useful, make sure to like and subscribe to stay updated with more video tutorials, tips, and tricks on our channel. Stay tuned.